Hello, so today we're going to be looking at a strategy called Speller. Now this strategy is used to help children with spelling. It's very useful because it includes practicing the word mentally and physically by imagining the word and then writing it, and that in itself engages multiple different types of learners, and it also relies on repetition to help the student learn the words. This strategy is really good for students who are struggling with their spelling words, and it can be very effective to help them study for a spelling test. This strategy was created to help students with learning disabilities, but it can be very effective for the typical child as well. A lot of children struggle with spelling. So research-wise, this strategy has been well researched. But it's also been adapted from other researched strategies, such as the class-wide peer tutoring, CWPT. So it definitely has been proven to actually help students improve. So that being said, let's take a look and see exactly how this works. For this strategy, you will need at least 2 people. You will need a tutor, which is the teacher or possibly another student, and they will have flashcards with the spelling words on them to show them to the tutee, who will be a student learning the spelling word. Now the tutor will list off commands that will be given to the tutee and have them looking at the word, imagining it, and then writing it. This process will be repeated if the tutee gets the spelling incorrect. So let's take a look at this process. First, the tutor holds up a flashcard so the tutee can see it and says, "Spot the word and say it." Then the tutee looks at the word and says the word aloud. "Amusement." Then the tutor, still holding up the card, will say, "Picture the word, eyes open." And the tutee will take a mental picture of the word. Then, still holding up the card, the tutor will say, "Picture the word, eyes closed." The tutee takes a mental picture of the word and closes their eyes. Even though their eyes are closed, the tutor will then say, "Look to see if you pictured the word right." The tutee will open their eyes and say yes or no. Yes. The tutor will turn the flashcard away from the tutee and say, "Write the word." Then the student will write the word on the speller practice sheet. For the sake of this video, we are just using regular piece of notebook paper, which works just as effectively. The tutor will then check the spelling. If it is correct, then the teacher will give a reward or some sort of verbal praise. If it's incorrect, then they will go back to step 1 and repeat the process. So as you can see, this strategy is very effective if used correctly. If you would like to try this, in the document previously given, there is an example practice sheet as well as the link to this video to help you out. So good luck and happy spelling!